Hello guys, good evening. How are you everyone? Well, before I go to sleep, I just want to see how is everyone. How is your weekend? Especially today is Sunday, sa family day. I hope you'll be able to spend time with your family. Family is more important than any material thing. Well, me, I'm good. I was able to go walking beside the beach in the lake park. I did not go to my training today. I have a beauty rest for 2 days, today and tomorrow. I'll go back to my training on Tuesday. Anyway guys, I just want to say good evening and have a good night's sleep everyone. Sweet dreams and see you tomorrow. Also, I need to exercise my hand with this ball, an apple ball, for a good blood circulation. Bye guys, good night, see you tomorrow, and I miss you all. Bye bye. Bye everyone.